Stop struggling with stubborn seeds. Tissue culture is the magical shortcut you've been waiting for. Imagine cloning your best plants and having them bloom everywhere. Tissue culture lets you do just that. You can produce exact copies of plants with the best flowers, fruits, or any desirable traits. No more waiting for ages to see your plants mature. Tissue culture speeds up the process, giving you mature plants faster than ever. And guess what? You can grow a ton of plants in a tiny space. Perfect for those with limited room but big gardening dreams. Even if seeds are rare or pollinators are few, tissue culture's got you covered. It even works with genetically modified cells, so your plant possibilities are endless. Worried about diseases and pests? Growing plants in sterile containers means fewer worries and healthier plants. And for those tricky plants that rarely germinate like orchids, tissue culture makes it possible. Got plants infected with viruses? Clean them up and multiply them in no time. Tissue culture is the game changer horticulture has been waiting for.